A jury already convicted Mark Jensen in 2008 of poisoning his wife Julie to death with antifreeze in 1998. But a successful appeal of that verdict led to the new trial, now drawing to a close.
The state must prove every element of the offense charged beyond a reasonable doubt.
Prosecutors say Jensen tormented his wife Julie for years for a brief affair she'd had before finally poisoning her and suffocating her in their Pleasant Prairie home. Jensen claims Julie was depressed and took her own life, framing him in the process.
Julie isn't crazy, it's just how the defendant wanted her to look. It's a continuation of the years of psychological warfare the defendant waged against his wife, but now the purpose was to make her look crazy so he can murder her.
Prosecutors further allege Jensen killed Julie because he was having an affair and wanted her out of the way. They presented evidence of internet searches for poisons, including ethylene glycol, the active ingredient in antifreeze. But Jensen's attorney says there's not enough evidence to prove Mark killed his wife.
It's not guessing at what you think may have happened. It's a careful analysis of whether the government has met its very high burden before a person in America can be convicted of a crime.
Throughout the trial, witnesses testified Julie was a devoted mother of two young boys who never talked of killing herself, but did speak about sadness over her crumbling marriage and her growing suspicion of Mark.
Her boys were everything to her, that she loved them, she didn't want to lose them, she would never leave them. You'll believe Julie, and you'll find the defendant guilty.
Nick Beck out here live in Kenosha County. The jury has only been deliberating for about 2 hours at this point. How long might they go tonight?
Well, the judge this morning told me that he was going to let them go as long as they wanted to, but just within the last couple of minutes, they said that they were ready to go home, so he's sending them home for the night. Obviously, they can't follow any coverage of the case tonight while they're home, but they'll resume deliberations first thing in the morning.